We are asked to use the operations and the value of the variables to create new equivalent equations and simplify the fractions when appropriate. Equivalent equations are different equations that have the same solution or solutions. For the first example, we are given x equals 9, and the first operation is add 5. To create an equivalent equation to x equals 9, we must perform the operation to both sides of the equation, and because the operation is add 5, we begin by adding 5 to both sides of the equation. This gives us x plus 5 equals 9 plus 5. Simplifying the right side, 9 plus 5 equals 14. The first equivalent equation is x plus 5 equals 14. X plus 5 equals 14 is a different equation than x equals 9, but it does have a solution of x equals 9. The next operation is divide by 6, so now we take this equation and divide both sides by 6. So if we divide the left side by 6, we have the quantity x plus 5 divided by 6 equals, on the right side, 14 divided by 6. We will leave the left side of the equation in this form, but we need to simplify the right side. 14 and 6 share a common factor of 2. To simplify 14 sixths, we divide the numerator and denominator by 2. This gives us the second equivalent equation of the quantity x plus 5 divided by 6 equals 7/3. The third operation is subtract 2, so now we take this equation and subtract 2 from both sides. This gives us the quantity x plus 5 divided by 6 minus 2 equals 7/3 minus 2. And now we need to simplify the right side of the equation. Let's work this out on the side. We have 7/3 minus 2, or minus 2 over 1. The least common denominator is 3. We need to write 2 over 1 as an equivalent fraction with the denominator of 3, and therefore we multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. This gives us 7/3 minus 6/3, which is equal to 1/3. And therefore the third equivalent equation is the quantity x plus 5 divided by 6 minus 2 equals 1/3. These three equations are equivalent because they all have a solution of x equals 9. Let's take a look at a second example. We begin with x equals 5, and the first operation is multiply by 8. So now we multiply both sides of this equation by 8, which gives us x times 8 equals 5 times 8. X times 8 is equal to 8x, and 5 times 8 is equal to 40, giving us our first equivalent equation of 8x equals 40. The second operation is add 6. So now we take this equation and add 6 to both sides. This gives us 8x plus 6 equals 40 plus 6. Simplifying on the right side, 40 plus 6 is 46, giving us the second equivalent equation of 8x plus 6 equals 46. And the last operation is divide by 3. So now we take this equation and divide both sides by 3. This gives us the quantity 8x plus 6 divided by 3 equals 46 divided by 3. And nothing simplifies here. This is the third equivalent equation. We have the quantity 8x plus 6 divided by 3 equals 46/3. I hope you found this helpful.